Come on. Get in here. Challenge accepted, Raley. Here's what's happening. I got a few projects happening. But in the course of trying to work through today, I got Raley on my case saying, you got to put a video out today. Well, I don't know that I got to, but I tell you what, challenge accepted. I'm going to put me out a quick and dirty video. Here's a quick update of what's happening here at Rooster shop. Raley. All right, let's just give it a quick rundown. Let's start with what we did this week. Yeah, paint sprayers. Rooster does work on paint sprayers. We got a couple there we checked out. What we're looking at down there is some AR variety pumps. All been looked at, parts been ordered. Got a nice little selection of them little 212 cc engine. That's the one I featured in that last little old video right there. I hope you took the opportunity to watch that video. I thought it was pretty good. It was interesting what I found, and quite honest, I didn't think that thing was going to run. Let's get back to what else was going on around here. We've got, this side of the building over here, this is what got looked at. Pressure washer, 4,000 PSI, little engine issues up there, parts on order. Same thing, another paint sprayer, same doggone issues, parts on order. Oh, my heater. This thing right here, I gotta tell you, I scratched my old noggin. just maybe a time or two trying to figure out what was going on with that doggone thing. It was cold. I'm glad I got it working. That was this week's project. Let's see, coming up, this is the lineup for what's coming up. I got me a nice Honda GX engine. I think I want to do a video on this. If you want to see a video on this engine, GX 690, it seems to have an internal engine issue. She will rotate partially and stop. It ain't gonna turn past that point. That's one I really would like to open up on camera and let's see what's going on inside. So that's next up on the bench was the GX 690, and then I got these sweet little inverter generators to check out. Over there, another series of those little 212 engines checked out. Those are runners now. And I've got a little build project coming up here. Build projects on that table over there already ready to go. I got some other cool stuff I'm hiding. I won't show it right now, but you're gonna like it. Hey, challenge met. See y'all on the next one. How we going? I've been, you know, it's been suggested maybe I should ask y'all to subscribe. But, you know, Raley messaging me right doggone now, make it happen, Captain, get it done. You know what? I'm doing this because I want to. Oh, I remember what I was saying. Raley, you interrupt me again. Hey, look, how about hit that there doggone subscribe bell? Get that dingy so that if any of these projects you've seen that's coming up, not all of them, the ones I pick. Hey, if you ding that bell, it'll let you know when they're coming up. We'll see y'all soon. Y'all have a great weekend. Doggone your hide, Raley.